Yo, what is up guys? Zerdat07 is back with another FIFA mobile video. In this video we'll open the golden egg pack. So let's get into it.
Okay, let's try something different.
Let's go to the store and open this fantastic pack. We can only open one of them, so we hope to get one of them. It will be awesome if I can get one of them. Please, please. Okay, we start with an elite. With a good elite. Kalu, Carrasco. Okay, 3 elites. Okay, we don't get, but at least we got some elites. Elite players. It was a risk because it's 1000 FIFA points. But at least we got some elite. So yeah guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this pack opening. Zerdat07 living out. Peace.